A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. As it doesn't seem appropriate to use a noun again and again in a sentence. That's why, to stop the repetition of nouns in a sentence, pronouns are used. Let us try to understand with some examples. James is a studious boy. He is my student. Because James is a third person, singular number, masculine gender and nominative case, that is why in the second sentence pronoun he is used. Jennifer is a kind woman. She helps everyone. In this example, Jennifer is a noun of third person, singular number, feminine gender, and nominative case. That is why pronoun she is used. A dog is a pet animal. It barks at night. In this example, a dog is a noun of third person, singular number, masculine gender, and nominative case. That is why pronoun it is used in the second sentence. Therefore, a pronoun is used according to the person, number, gender and case of the noun.